This is an administrative hearing being held on October 27th, 2025 in the Kosciuszko County Courthouse. This hearing is being recorded. This hearing is being conducted pursuant to the laws of the state of Indiana as found in IC 6-1.1-1-1. The parcel numbers are 43-08-07-300-393.000-023, 43-08-007-300.000-023, 43-08-007-300-449.000-023, 43-08-007-300-064.000-023, 43-08-007-300-1413-000-023, and 43-08-007-300-396.000-023. Property addresses are 4192, 4295, 4196, and 4194 East Forest Glen, and 82 EMS T21 Lane, Leesburg. The property owners are 4192 East Forest Glen, LLC, Mary Ruth Conway Smajunas, Robert Smajunas Jr., and Indian Hills Golf Club, LLC. The assessment year under appeal is 2025. Does everyone present agree the year under appeal is as stated?
Yes.
My name is Gail Chapman, and I am the Secretary of the Property Tax Assessment Board of Appeals. The persons representing the PTABOA are
Brock Ostrom.
Mike Settles.
Bill Olinger.
the person representing the county is
Nick, are you on board? Or Mark?
Yeah, this is Mark Giaquinta, and Nick Brady is also attending by Zoom, and we represent the office of the Kosciuszko County Assessor.
okay, and the person representing the petitioner is not present. Will all persons who are or may be witnesses in this hearing please raise your right hand to be sworn? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Okay.
I do.
Okay. All right, Mark and Nick, since the petitioner is not here, I'm going to let you guys take this on and,
Do you have any comments?
yes, do you have,
Ask them if they have comments.
do you have any comments concerning these petitions?
And I'll defer to Nick Brady. Nick, are you with us? Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear, and I apologize for not being able to introduce myself. I couldn't get off of mute, so I was saying my name, but it could not be heard.
Those of us who are a bit older, Nick, understand technology better than you younger people. So any questions you have, don't hesitate to ask any of the six of us.
Thank you for that, Mark. On behalf of the assessor's office, we have reviewed the taxpayers' notices to initiate appeal and the notice of assessments as well. The taxpayers have stated that they are natural living persons and define their property as private property. The distinction here being that the property is real and is subject to taxation. It being private property does not make any difference in this particular circumstance. In the documents submitted by the taxpayer, They they cite to various different legal theories, Supreme Court cases. At one point, I believe that they cite to the United States Constitution, the Ohio Constitution, and the Indiana Constitution. The Indiana Constitution allows that the General Assembly would provide a uniform and equal rate of property assessment and taxation, and shall prescribe regulations to secure a just valuation for taxation of all property, both real and personal. And that can be found in the Indiana Constitution, Article 10, Section 1. The Indiana Assembly has enacted Indiana Code 6-1.1-4-1, which states that real property shall be assessed at the place where it's situated, shall be assessed to the person liable for the taxes. And further, 6-1.1-2-4 states that the owner of any real property on the assessment date of a year is liable for the taxes imposed for that year on the property. When considering the term private property, Indiana law provides throughout statutory and case law that private property means real property that is not owned or leased by the state or a political subdivision. And pursuant to the Indiana Constitution and the statutes enacted by the General Assembly, the assessor has the right to tax the property, whether real or personal, and even when it is privately owned. Thank you.
Mark, do you have any further comments on this?
I think Mr. Brady has summarized it adequately. I believe that under the Indiana Constitution, were you to single out an individual property owner for special treatment, that would be a violation of the Indiana Constitution. You're not doing that. You're treating all property tax owners in a uniform method, which is required under Section 10 of the Indiana Constitution. So with that having been the primary objection to your moving forward, I think that you must proceed in order to maintain consistency and adherence to the requirement set forth in the Indiana Constitution that you provide the property tax system in a uniform manner, which you are attempting to do.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you. I have no questions.
I have no questions for the gentleman. Thank you for your input.
Mike Settles, I have no questions.
Okay. The proceedings are now concluded. The cause is adjourned until further order. The PTABOA may inspect the subject property and consider the evidence presented or requested. No additional evidence will be accepted for consideration unless that evidence has been requested during the hearing held today. As soon as we can, we will mail you a Form 115 to let you know the board's decision. If you disagree with that decision, you have the right to file a Form 131 with the state. This hearing is adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Mark.
Thank all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful week.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. I hope you have a wonderful week as well. We'll talk soon.
Easy enough. Went down, checked my email, make sure you didn't try and email me, wanting to stream in.
Okay.